Humans. This is probably not my regular filming space, but I will be doing some baking, even though I don't even know how to cook. But yeah, it's Beanie Boo Logic, so let me just get some ingredients and some materials. I have this bowl, please. We have this bowl that can block my face, and also this is actually a real table. This is an iPad cover thing. I don't know. We'll have things to go through, so yeah. Okay. I have this spoon. It's green, I don't care. I got some of this. Some flour. This thing is so small, but it's Beanie Boo Logic. Some of that stuff, I forgot how to call it. Some frosting, it looks pink, but it's actually white. It's just a container, you know? So yeah, that's all we need. First, we're gonna dump some flour in. I'm gonna get some, right. Put some in there. Whoa, I dropped it. Let me just pick it up. Okay, got it. I'm just gonna put some in there. There you go. That's all good. I kind of used the whole entire bag, but who cares? Get off my hand. There you go. Now that that's done, we're gonna use some of this honey thing. Move. Move. Okay. Add some. Put that there. Add the frosting in for the flavoring. It's not really frosting, but yeah. Just dump the whole thing. Who cares? I don't care. It's Beanie Boo Logic. Now let's mix it. Also, this is Beanie Boo Logic. Don't worry. Let's take it into the oven. What are you doing? Why is there... Shh, it's Beanie Boo Logic. Okay, going to this oven that is literally half... Never mind, bigger than me, because it's Beanie Boo Logic. I keep on saying that every single second, but yeah. There you go. Let's wait. How 1 hour? Bye. 1 hour later. Open this thing. There you go. That thing just fell apart, but take this thing. Wow. That's a nice cupcake. Big mess, everyone. Throw that. Hey, I'm fine. Okay. Let's see if this actually tastes good. Oh, everything's just going upside down. Okay. How do I do this? The cupcake, and now we're gonna call someone to taste it. Hello, does anyone want to taste this thing? Yeah. Oh yeah, sure. Ooh, that looks good. You want to try it? Question: do you know how to cook? I guess so. Okay, that counts. She is so amazed. Yeah, she loves it. It's terrible. If you gotta say it's terrible, I will be fired. So say it's good, or else I'm stealing your stash of cookies. Don't. It's delicious, guys. Buy it from her. Yeah, it's delicious. I'm totally not threatened. Do I take it or something? Ow. I'll keep it. Yeah. Yeah, so goodbye from Muddle's cooking show.